How to find font size settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find font size settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find this one, chats, and then scroll down. Here you will find this one, font size. All you need to do is just click on it, and as you see here you can change WhatsApp font size. It's easy, and now just go back, it will be
And that's
saved.
it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.